Good evening, guys. My name is Kabeer, and welcome to the first video of this challenge called the 100 Hard. So, let me set the context for the video. Basically, this challenge, I have started it because I want to document my journey learning all sorts of different technologies and sharing it with you guys. So, basically, you can get in on this challenge by using the hashtag 100HARD. You can use this on your LinkedIn post, Instagram, TikTok, X.com, and any other places where it is feasible for me to come and interact with you guys. We could do this. We could help each other. And so, let me tell you what's going to happen in these series. We have to post a video or a normal LinkedIn post, any text format or a blog, anything like that, for 100 days straight. No leaving in between, no excuses, nothing is tolerated. I mean, of course, if there's something unforeseen circumstances, then of course we're going to understand. But then after that, the thing is, I'm going to start learning about advanced Python, and then we're going to start doing data structures and algorithms in Python. Forward that, we're going to do some lead code problems, yes. And along with that, side by side, I'm going to do something that I actually really love, that is DevOps with web development, because I really like CI/CD pipelines, the automating all of the stuff. Because as you can see right now, I'm going to keep this raw and edited, and I'm not going to sugarcoat anything, not going to put some flashy banging theme songs or intros, outros, anything. There are no subtitles, no transcriptions. But we're going to make sure that during the weekends, we create some projects that use N8N, the agenting service. We're going to use that to put transcriptions, to put some intros, outros without the need of ever using your hands. All of it is going to be done by AI. So those are some of the projects that I have in mind. And yeah, that is for the video. And another thing is, you could give me constructive criticism in the comment section, but be sure to keep respectable because everyone has to learn from this. The primary goal of this is for everyone to learn. I don't want to gatekeep anything. I'm not gatekeeping anything here. So, so that's it. Let's hope you see me again. So, thank you so much for listening to me, and goodbye.